What are you doing, Logan?
I'm loading some Yankees and I'm about to spray brand with a shotgun.
I heard it. Shoot it.
Roll up to the spray brand.
Hey, Justin, tell Brandy to come here. Tell Brandy to come here. Tell Brandy to come here.
Hey, tell me to come here.
Alright.